তো এটা কি আমরা করেছি না?
Oh, actually, in last class we completed the notes, and I told you to try this as much as possible. This worksheet. Then Tamjid already submitted. He solved it and he submitted. What about you?
Sir, not yet.
Not yet. So you read it. Read question 1. Do you have this worksheet printed?
No, sir. It would take some time.
Okay. So when will get this printed? After the break,
Sir,
right?
by tomorrow. By tomorrow.
Okay. So now you continue. Huh? Read the question, please.
What are the lowest frequency and the highest frequency of sound that a human being with normal hearing can hear? Sir, it's C. C for China.
C for China, right?
Sir, by the way, where are the rest of them?
Sorry?
Sir, rest of them and back it up, please.
They are joining. They are joining. You continue.
Yes, sir.
Read
Ultrasound
quickly.
has a number of uses in engineering and medicine. What is ultrasound not used for? Sir, America.
No. It is the first use. He gave in notes. It is the first use, cleaning.
Sir, how could we clean means how could we clean anything without means with ultrasound?
Yeah, that one we discussed in class. You forgot. Hello?
Sir, I can't remember.
You forgot everything. So it is the notes, huh? Notes on sound.
Sir, did it in class or means we did it earlier and now we are doing it now again like that?
We did these notes in class. We discussed it in class.
Sir, earlier.
Yeah, earlier means last class we did also this one. Right. So you see, ultrasound is used in cleaning, right?
Yes, sir.
Quality control. Prenatal screening is given in learning outcomes. So this one you know. Why you forgot, I don't know.
Sir, cleaning work.
Yeah, you read it. First one.
Ultrasound is used to clean street line by immersing the lightning unit in a tank of water and using ultrasonic wave to test large and dust particles from the surface of the unit. It is also used to clean jewelry. Okay.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Tamjid. Hello, Tamjid.
Yes, Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam. In batch 2, I already uploaded that notes and a worksheet on magnetism, electromagnetism. Okay, so if you want to have a look on that, you go on. Huh?
No, sir. সেটা না on static electricity, I think.
Oh, static electricity. Static electricity. I actually did not prepare any note. Huh? I have to discuss it along with all of you if you want. Okay.
আচ্ছা
No problem. After we are done with sound, we will discuss. Abir told me that he does not need it. That's why we did not continue it. And Karim also did it in last year. He also has this ideas, static electricity, right? Karim,
Sir,
hello.
I also need to recall.
Recall also. Okay, no problem. We'll recall. Worksheet on sound. Okay. So this one, what is the answer then? Karim?
Oh, sir, remember static electricity. Now remember.
Yeah, all these are known to you, and these are not that difficult thing actually.
Yes,
When
sir, it's really easy actually.
we we will again, no problem. We will go for a revise recalling
Okay, sir.
for a while, no problem, and then you will understand. If you have any confusion, you can share, no problem. Then, what is the answer?
So then it would be T, T for Dhaka.
Dhaka. And Tamjid, you also gave Dhaka, right? The worksheet you gave. Let me check. Tamjid, you have the worksheet with you.
जी sir.
You have the worksheet with
Uh,
you now.
chapter sound টা ultrasound টা
Yes,
হ্যাঁ.
yes, yes, yes. Sound worksheet you
Hmm.
have. So check.
Yes sir.
We are discussing it, and you can have a check. Your one is correct or not.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Then next one. Three. Yeah.
Ultrasound
Abir.
is used to map the ocean.
Abir, where are you? Abir. Abir, listening. Hello, Abir. Okay, read. Karim.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, read, please.
Ultrasound is used to map the ocean floor. During one survey, the depth of water is 1200 meters. An ultrasound pulse from the surface, and when it returns to the ship, another pulse is sent.
Yes. Karim.
Yes, sir, done.
Done. But we did not hear completely everything.
Uh, so, shall I read it again?
Not necessary. It's okay. We understood the question. And Abir, check your microphone is working or not. We are not listening to you. Abir? Yeah, now how to do it? How can we do
Sir,
it?
as 5 pulses were sent, then 1 pulse go and come back. So we can tell that means we can take it as 10. So 10 pulses, no, not 0. 1 pulse travels at 0.8 second, a distance of 1200 meter. So
Mhm.
1200 divided by 0.8 second.
Yeah, then what is the answer? What is the answer? Check.
Sir, D for Dhaka.
Tamjid, you got also Dhaka?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And there is also one technique here that is easiest way to do. Shortcut method. Should I tell you?
Why not, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is, we know that some typical values of speed of sound in air, in liquid, and in steel, right? In solid. So
Yes, sir.
if you check with that one, then you will get it directly that typical value of speed of sound in water, that is around 1500, right? Isn't it? In our notes it's
Sir,
available.
are you talking about number 3?
Yes, yes, we are talking about number 3.
But sir, but sir 3 তে তো by calculation তো C আসার কথা না?
How you calculate?
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, এক মিনিট তাহলে wait. না স্যার ডি, ঠিক আছে। ওকে, ঠিক আছে। ডি।
Yeah. So Abir is not responding. Can you check what is his problem? Oh, his microphone is giving some problems today. So if so, Abir, you rejoin again, huh? Rejoin. You come back again. Are you listening, Abir? Leave and okay, then our next question is very easy. We got it in topic 13, general wave properties. What is the answer? Question 4.
স্যার 4 ঢাকা না?
This one is Dhaka.
It's
Yeah, Karim.
yes, sir. I was also gonna say that.
Very good. And now question 5. Just now I told the typical value of speed of sound in different medium. It's also easy, right? What is the answer? Yeah, got the answer? Amjad, what is your answer?
স্যার 5 is আমেরিকা।
Hmm. Yeah.
6 is ঢাকা।
6 is Dhaka. So Karim, you understand, right?
Yes, sir.
Five. Question 5. The answer is America. The one I said that typical value
Yes, sir.
of,
Yes, sir.
yeah, yeah, 6 also from general wave properties. Wavelength increases, so frequency remains same and speed increases, right? We have V equals F lambda, that formula. Frequency remains always constant, right?
Yes, sir.
And as the wavelength increases, speed will increase. V equals F lambda. So it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Then 7. 7 is tricky, a little bit tricky. So read, Karim, read.
Yes, sir. A sound wave in a solid is represented by a series of lines. The diagram shows compression C and R at one instant in time.
Uh,
All particle on one
you
line
just
moves in
tell
the
the
same
answer. You
direction.
just pick the correct answer.
All particle. Sir, America.
Yeah, Tamjid, what you gave?
7 স্যার is America, হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে।
Yes. So your answer is correct. Then, as both are correct, then we do not need explanation. Then 8. Yeah, 8. What you gave, Tamjid?
C স্যার,
Yeah.
C।
Karim, you also agree, right?
Yes, sir, I do.
Yeah, 9. General wave properties.
But sir,
Hmm.
why do we say that light is transverse?
Very good question. Light has, you know, it is called electromagnetic wave, right?
Yes, sir.
So why it's called electromagnetic wave? Because it has electric field and magnetic field, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't know actually. I'm saying that's why you're saying yes. So light has electric and magnetic field oscillating, huh? And
Okay.
energy transfer, with energy transfer direction, the oscillation is perpendicular. Like right hand grip rule, and also Fleming's right hand rule or Fleming's left hand rule. There you get force, then electric field, magnetic field. They are perpendicular to each other, right?
Yes, sir.
And in a similar way, electric field, magnetic field, and the energy transfer direction in light, they are working perpendicular to each other. That's why it is transverse wave. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, these are not particles, but in light wave we have electric and magnetic field oscillating. In higher classes you will know details. Okay, then 9.
Yes, sir.
9. What is your answer, Tamjid?
It's A.
Same,
Amplitude
sir.
yes is repeated from general wave properties. And then again the same question came, right? What
Yes,
is your
sir. It
answer?
would be A. It would
Slowest,
be A.
slowest to fastest, right? So
Yes, sir.
Tamjid also A, right? America.
Yes
Tamjid,
sir,
for 10 America, right?
Yes, sir.
Then 11. 11 is a little bit tricky. What you got, Amjad, for
Sir,
11?
sir, BDC, B.
Have you calculated or just you have the speed of sound in air by that one you did?
না স্যার ক্যালকুলেট করছি
You calculated. Because we also have a
হুম।
closer value that is 330. That is also speed of sound in air. So it's approximately 300. So you have to calculate. Otherwise, it might be wrong. Then Karim, you did not calculate,
Sir,
so
just a
you
second.
cannot say.
Sir, just a second, just a second.
Yeah, yeah, I'm giving you 3 seconds, no problem.
Sir, 3 seconds just.
You said 1 second, I gave 3 seconds. So how you calculated, Amjit?
স্যার বি না বি দিছিলাম
How you calculated? What is the way of calculation?
স্যার T50 minus T200 equals to 1
Yes, sir, same. B, Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
এইটার উপর বেস করে তারপর এক্সপ্যান্ড করলেই and put the values I must get this. Yes,
Okay. T50 minus T200 equals 1 second, huh?
না স্যার আমি তো এইভাবে করিনি
How you did?
স্যার আমি সিম্পল ওয়েতে করছি জাস্ট লাইক ইকো মানে সাউন্ড একবার যাবে এবং আসবে সো 50 কে আমি
Yes.
ডাবল করছি 200 কে ডাবল করছি
Mhm.
দেন সাবট্রাক্ট করছি সো যেহেতু 1 সেকেন্ড পার্ট ছিল সো ওইভাবে আমি 300 মিটার পার সেকেন্ড করছি
Okay. Anyway, you can
স্যার
do, right?
স্যার আই ওয়াজ রাইট রাইট
Yeah, you are correct. He is also correct. Then 12. 12, what you gave?
musical
Amjad?
note is produced by two sources the trace produces by each source
স্যার 12 আমি দিছি ঢাকা
Yes, all are same, right? Frequency is same, pitch is same, then amplitude is same. Only one difference is this quality, right?
yes sir
Then 13. Yeah. Amjad, what you gave?
13 আমি দিছি আমেরিকা
Okay, then let me check what is your answer coming. You have speed and frequency, so you can find the wavelength, right? Simply. What is the formula, Karim?
sir v is equal to f lambda
Then if you make wavelength subject, then
sir lambda is equal to b by f
okay, so you do it.
it would be America
Yes. Then 14. What you gave? Yeah, Amjad. 14. What you got?
স্যার বাংলাদেশ
Bangladesh. Okay. And 15. Simple. Right?
কানাডা
Canada. So are you understanding, Karim?
yes
Karim?
sir sir 14 would be Bangladesh right
14. What you gave?
Bangladesh
Bangladesh. Yes, Bangladesh. Then 16. 16, you have to do the working. Yeah. What you got, Amjad? 16. What is your
16
answer?
এর জন্য সি।
Okay.
Yes, sir. China same.
Yes. So where is your document? Hmm. So nothing is left. Only this much. That's why I prefer email. It's easy to get everything. Okay. So here you got state how sound differs from ultrasound. What is that? What you wrote, Tamjid? This one?
জি স্যার, এটা
Yeah, yeah.
স্যার এ বি1 না?
A. 1A.
Oh, ultrasound has a frequency greater than 20,000 hertz.
Yes. And
Sir, I couldn't hear what you just said. Can you
yeah,
repeat?
yeah. Ultrasound has frequency greater than 20,000 hertz. He said. And I would suggest you to add another information that it is not audible by the human being, right? It is inaudible sound. Okay, then next, what you wrote? Tamjid?
Sir, same, just the definitions.
Differs
And
from,
একটার মধ্যে প্যারালাল আর একটার মধ্যে পারপেন্ডিকুলার।
yeah. So these are easy, right? But there are 3 marks, right? There are 3 marks. So what you wrote, how this 3 marks is received, that one you have to know, right? Then what you wrote, Amjit, can you say what you wrote?
Sir, in a longitudinal wave, the direction of the wave is parallel to the direction of energy transfer. And same জিনিস লেখছি, just parallel এর জায়গায় perpendicular.
Yeah. So energy direction, it is parallel with energy transfer direction, or it is perpendicular with energy transfer direction, the particles vibration, right? So for mentioning energy transfer direction, you have 1 mark, and for other 2 points, 2 marks. You understand? Hello, how the marks is divided?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then we have next. Yeah. So where will be? They are saying to mark two different rarefactions and label each one R. Can you mark? Karim, can you mark? Where is R? Position of R? Hello, Karim.
Yes, sir, I'm doing it.
Where is R? Position of R? Two different rarefactions. Is you are showing compression, but they are asking you rarefaction.
Sir, this is C. Don't mind this one.
You are not asked to do compression, only rarefaction.
Okay, sir. Sir, they have already given us the center here. Means they bolded out. Bold.
Yeah. So here in the middle of that, and here in the middle of that, it's not compression, it's rarefaction. Rarefaction. R. You should label it with R, not C.
Sir, it's my creativity.
Oh, it's your creativity, latent creativity. Okay, then draw a double-headed arrow to indicate a distance that is equal to one wavelength of the wave. So in between two rarefactions, we have wavelength, right? From
Yes,
for
sir.
the middle. In between two rarefactions, we have the wavelength, right?
Sir, I still don't get it.
You know about definition of wavelength, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the definition of wavelength?
Sir, I know it, but I can't remember it now.
Hmm. The definition is
One complete wave. One complete wave.
yeah, one complete wave.
The length of one complete wave.
Yes, that is one definition, and there is other two definitions from crest to crest and
From the
trough to trough.
starting. Yes, sir.
It's from crest to crest and trough to trough. So you identify from here the trough. The rarefaction is trough. Okay. Hello. Hello. Rarefaction is labeled as trough, and compression is labeled as crest. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Is it okay, sir?
No, they did not tell you to give the arrow this way. A double-headed arrow from
So,
wavelength is
oh, I get it. I get it. I get it.
from middle of this, middle of one rarefaction to another rarefaction. It is wavelength. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. Then measure the length of the arrow drawn on figure 1.1 and use it to determine the speed of the wave in oil. So to do this, you have to take the printout. Otherwise, it is not possible, right?
Yes, sir.
So Amjit did. Let us check his one. At least we'll have some idea.
Sir.
Can I rejoin after rejoin করব?
একটু দাঁড়াও, তোমার এটা open করতেছি। Yes, okay. Now we can go fast.
Sir, page number 6.
Hmm. Okay,
Sir,
Tamjid,
6.
you wrote.
Sir, he
What?
left. He left. He left. He left.
Okay. He wrote that what is meant by a wave and describe how a long wave differs from. Yeah, this one is done. Then he also did rarefactions. Hmm. Hmm. This way, if the worksheet is in front of me, then I can correct it easily. Hmm. Okay. So he got it is 5.4, right? Wavelength. In oil, it is 131350. So you understand how to do it, Karim?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then this question: a sound wave traveling in a liquid passes into air. Instead, what happens to the speed of the sound wave as it enters the air? Speed decreases, huh? Hello, Karim?
Yes, sir.
Speed decreases. To understand how speed decreases, right? Or why
Yes, sir.
speed
Wavelength
decreases.
decreases.
Yeah, wavelength uh, speed decreases. Why speed decreases? Because it's air.
Medium changes, wavelength changes, wavelength decreases, speed decreases.
Wavelength changes. Why wavelength changes or why speed changes? What is the root?
Diffraction.
The root is like in air particles, the particles are far apart, right?
Yes, sir.
So the transfer of energy will be slower there. That's why speed decreases. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
That is the point. You have to bring that point. And for the same reason, wavelength also decreases. As speed decreases, wavelength also decreases. So, which one is more important here? First is speed. Other than wavelength, speed should be taken as the lead. Like as speed decreases, that's why wavelength decreases. Now, Sanjit, one thing I saw here, I need to uh, correct it. Like you have the rarefaction, right? You
Yes, sir.
labeled The first are correctly, but second are wrongly.
Oh
Your
yeah,
yeah,
the next line,
your
madam.
yeah, second R should be here. This is middle line, right?
So middle. Oh, yeah, okay, okay.
Because it is the widest one.
Hmm.
So your second labeling is not correct. It should be here. Correct it. Then your arrow should be from the middle, not from the last corner. Okay,
Okay.
from the middle one to here the middle. Is it clear? So corrected.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
If you correct it, then your this answer will also be changed, right? In
Hmm.
mark scheme, the speed is given 1200 meter per second. Okay, then you check that it will come close to 1200, right? Actually, when we made this paper at that time, we took this screenshot from the past paper. That time also there is change, right? Change in the length. So it will not exactly match over there, but it will be very close to that value. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So yeah, after taking the snapshot or the image, we had to set it here, uh, and during this setting, the real shape or the original shape from Cambridge, that one is changed. That's why there might be some, you know, error in or difference in the mark scheme value and our calculated value. Uh, but it should be very close to 1200, not that much far. And you correct it and calculate, you will also see that it will be changed to closer to 1200. Okay.
Okay, sir. Hmm.
Hmm. So do it, huh? Karim, Karim,
Ji sir.
you understand what you have to do.
Yes sir.
You have to take the printout and tomorrow you have to send it to me. And on Saturday you will have a test on topic 15 and topic
Sir,
16.
then can I change the date?
Topic and topic 15 and 16 together you will have the test. Okay.
Sir, what was topic 15?
That is electromagnetic spectrum, that prism one, like big
Oh
geo
yes
one,
sir.
rainbow colors one. Is it clear?
Sir, can
Electromagnetic
I change
spectrum.
the date for this
Yeah,
yes
that one
please.
that one you talk privately, not in class. Okay, if you want to have any change or any special request, that is privately. You don't, you know, uh, what should I say? Uh, don't make their speed decrease like sound wave in air. Okay, is it clear? Hello,
Yes sir.
so that they are not demotivated. They go with pace, good pace. Okay, now this one is incomplete. Hmm? How can we do it? Amjad, this one on figure
Yes, sir.
1.2,
Sir,
draw
find it.
the parts of these compressions that are in the air. So it's in water or liquid, then it's going to air. How can we do it?
Hmm.
Any
Sir,
idea?
bending হবে
First thing you have to bending will be, of course. First you have to think that whether it will be speed increasing or decreasing in air.
Decreasing.
Hmm? It is
Decreasing.
increasing.
decreasing. Sound wave, right? Sound wave in
Oh
air,
yes, yes. Mm-hmm.
it is opposite of light.
It is like more the kinetic energy,
Yeah,
the less the speed of the sound.
yeah, it's just opposite of light sound. So what will happen if your speed is decreasing, your wavelength also will be decreased, right? Isn't it?
Hmm.
Then if your wavelength is decreased, that means the parallel lines will be much more closer to each other. That's it. These ideas you have to represent here. Now, how to do it? Who will show? Karim will show or I will show? Karim,
What, sir?
this wave, how will go there in air? Using the idea I gave, can you draw it? Or I should show?
Sir, like this? Means
First, you have to draw the
respective,
normal.
res-
Listen.
yes, sir, respective to this line.
For this wave refraction or reflection, you have to draw the normal first. Yeah, you draw the normal here because we listen. We have the arrow here, right? So you continue this arrow till to the surface, common surface here till here. Continue it here. Then here, after continuing it, you draw the normal. What there? Where is touching this common one? There you draw the normal. Yeah, here. Yes, very good. So, are you doing? Amjit, are you drawing? Normal?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. After
Sir,
drawing, as you said, uh, the speed will decrease, right?
decrease. Yes, sir.
So if its
So
speed
it would be
decrease
like this, like
towards the
this.
normal, right?
Yes,
If
sir,
its
like
speed
this.
decrease, it will be towards the normal. No, 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 not like that. You you draw it later. The parallel lines will be later. First, you draw the direction of the wave. Direction of energy transfer you draw first. Like this, I'm showing. It will be towards the normal, huh? No, this is normal. Towards the normal means the bending of a wave towards the normal.
Oh, now I get it, sir. Just a second.
Hmm. It's
No,
going
no, not like
straight
this,
now.
not like this.
It will be a smaller angle towards the normal.
Yes, sir. I just remember. So I would go like this, right?
Yes, correct. Now on that you draw parallel lines, and parallel lines will be the gap will be less than before. At least three lines you draw. Yeah. Draw another line up. Okay.
Sir, একটা doubt.
Sure.
Sir, ওয়েভটা সাউন্ড ওয়েভটা ফ্রম ডেন্সার ওইটা শুধু লাইটের জন্য না?
Light. I
মানে
said you.
away from the
I said you light and sounded opposite. It's sound. So
okay.
in air it will be towards the normal. Okay. Done.
Yes, sir.
So drawing is done. Now we have describe in outline how ultrasound is used in cleaning. Already you saw what is the use, right? Huh? In our notes it's available. Kareem,
Yes,
got it
sir.
right? From notes, right? Just from notes you got
Yes,
it.
sir.
Okay, then next one is what is meant by ultrasound. All of you know, right? What is meant by ultrasound? Hmm? Ultrasound is a sound with the frequencies higher than 20,000 hertz
The audible range.
and it is uh, more than or outside of audible range, human audible range.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you mentioned that one also, Tamjid. Here it is must mention because you have 2 marks.
Okay, sir.
Then explain briefly how ultrasound is used in prenatal. In our notes is available.
Sir, ওই লাইনটা আবার বলা যাবে, একটু নোট ডাউন করবো একটু
That one
সেকেন্ড ওয়ান।
and
Outside the or more than the range of audible sound.
yeah, human audible sound. You mentioned.
Yes, sir. Human audible sound. I was just going to say that.
Yeah. Done.
Yes, sir.
So in our in our notes we have a definition of echo. Echo is a reflection of sound from a distant, flat and hard surface, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Echo is the reflection of sound from a distant, hard and flat surface. Is it clear?
Distant
Distant,
and yeah, TANT,
distant,
distant and hard surface.
hard and flat surface.
So is it important to be flat because like we also say it
Yeah.
echo when we just shout in the mountains where the
If
things are not flat.
normally what happens if it is flat, then we are having the echo wonderfully, right? If
Yes, sir.
if it is not, then it's like not that sharp echo. That's why we are
Yes, it will
saying,
just keep slowing down until it stops
yeah,
like that.
that's why when we are defining, we should think of the standard one, right? Isn't it? Like it
Yes,
will
sir.
be flat and we'll hear the sound properly. We will hear the reflected sound properly. That's why we are mentioning that. Okay, then next, the frequency is same, the amplitude of sound wave decreases. Why?
Because energy is lost.
Okay, done. Now it's horizontally came. You understand, I think. Till here you understood, right? The speed of sound in air is given. The frequency is already there. Hmm. So I'm going to the main one. This one. Here you go. So speed is given. Then frequency is here available, 3700. So where is coming? Check wavelength. Hello. What Tamjid got? 0.089 meter.
So don't we need to take it to 3 significant?
So what is your answer coming?
0.892.
0.
Because it is a repetition of 0.
0.089 or only
Yes,
89?
sir. Sir, 0.089. But sir,
Mm-hmm.
don't we need to take at least 3 significant
No,
figures?
no, we do not need to take at least 3 significant figures. We can take 2 or 3 significant figures. Okay,
Okay, sir.
2 or 3, both are standard significant figure unless and until they are mentioning clearly that write it to nearest significant figures or write it to nearest 3 significant figures, right? So
Yes, sir.
it's any until they mention it, you can go for any one, 2 or 3. Now next question. Okay. Okay, so you read it, huh? Karim, Karim, read it.
Yes, sir.
Read fast.
Sir, did you ask me to read because
Yes,
I
read,
can't
read
understand it?
slowly,
It's like,
quickly.
oh, audible sound waves and ultrasound wave both consist of compression and refractions.
Hmm.
Describe one difference between a compression and a refraction.
Yeah. Yeah, you see. So here you got it.
So difference, the pressure between the molecules, right?
Yeah. Pressure on the molecules. On the molecules.
From or between.
On the molecules.
Oh, on, understand, sir.
Then next one. Let us see. Okay, this one is very easy, right? V equals F lambda. They are asking you to get the equation.
What?
This one, last one, B1. State the equation that relates wavelength lambda sound wave and its frequency f, where v is the speed of ultrasound,
Oh,
right?
understand, sir.
Okay. V equals f lambda. Then explain how in this medium the wavelength of the audible sound of an audible sound wave compares with the wavelength of an ultrasound wave. So
Yes, sir.
what will be happening to wavelength?
Where wavelength.
Yeah, yeah. What Amjad wrote? Let us see.
So it would be less.
Less, smaller wavelength, right?
Yes,
Why?
sir. Less, smaller wavelength.
Yeah, why?
Sir, I don't know. I just think so. My logic is illogic, but I know that that is
Yeah,
the correct
yeah.
answer.
Look here. They gave you the clue. Here, it's going from liquid to what? Liquid to air, right?
No, sir. We are in question 3, I guess, or
Okay,
4.
okay. So now we are in question 4. Okay, now they are asking you about audible sound and ultrasound. That one also you have to use. Like whatever it is audible or inaudible in both the cases. The same medium, in the same medium, the sound or ultrasound they have the same speed. Like air, if you think of air or you are thinking of water, the speed of sound and ultrasound will be same. Is it clear?
Sir, I don't get it.
The speed of ultrasound and normal sound will be same in the same medium. Is it clear?
Sir,
No?
why?
Because it's the sound wave, right? Whatever it is, ultrasound or infrasound or it's only sound, whatever it
So the
is,
speed of all sound are same in the same medium.
sound, yes. Like electromagnetic wave, they all have the same speed in vacuum. Also, for sound, we have to remember that for any sound, the same medium, the speed will same. It's clear. So,
Yes, sir.
if it is speed is same, then we have the formula V equals F lambda, right? V equals F lambda. If you have F greater, then lambda will be smaller, right? Hello,
Yes, sir.
and vice versa, So ultrasound has more frequency, so its wavelength will be smaller, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
And so write it that in this question we will have the ultrasound. They have smaller wavelength. Uh, they will have smaller wavelength. What you wrote? Can you read, Tamjid, what you wrote?
Yes, sir. Answer C, na?
Yes, yes.
It is used to clean street lights
No,
by
no, sorry,
immersing
not C.
the
Sorry,
light.
this one, the upper one.
Oh,
What you say?
an ultrasound wave has a greater, smaller wavelength than an audible sound wave.
It is correct, and you should add uh, and and because it has greater frequency. Because it has greater frequency. That one you should mention also, according to Mark's scheme.
Okay, sir.
Because the logic, why we are saying smaller wavelength, because frequency is greater, right, for outer sound. Okay, then next question. Yeah, describe one use of ultrasound waves. You have 5 uses. Anyone you can mention, and the process you have to also add there. That will give you 2 marks. Okay, you mention one use and the process of use. How we are using that one. For that one we have 2 marks. So what you wrote? You wrote about uh, street lights, huh? Cleaning street lights. So you wrote from the note, huh? How we are doing that one. Okay, good. Then now we have next one. Yeah, Karim, you understood it. Describe one use of ultrasound.
Yes,
It's available in notes. You just take it from there. Just name the
cut copy
use.
paste.
Yeah. Yeah. What is meant by frequency of sound? Very easy question, right? And the formula
Yes,
also
sir,
very easy.
the pitch of
Yeah,
a sound.
I think you can do it. Very simple idea. Now, to tell me about this one, B2.
Sir, pitch means the steepness, right?
Uh, pitch. Pitch means what?
Sir, pitch means the steepness or
Sharpness.
uh,
Sharpness of the sound.
yes, sir, sharpness.
Okay, so uh, what is the truth here? What is the answer here? State what happens to the frequency of sound.
Yes, sir.
What will happen to frequency of sound?
Yes, sir.
The sound passes from the air into the glass. What will
Yes, sir.
happen to frequency?
Same.
Same. And what will happen to speed?
Decrease.
Decreased. Air to glass. It's
Sorry, sir. Increase.
it's opposite of light wave, right?
Yes, sir. I just forgot it.
Yeah, constant increases 0.15. Okay. How sound is produced by the loudspeaker? Okay. Okay, your answer is correct. The sound, how sound is produced by the loudspeaker. That one. So, are you seeing it, Karim?
Yes, sir.
What you have to write? You check. His answer is correct. So, do you want to read it, Karim?
It's okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, then two. Part 2, how sound is transmitted through the air. The air particles next to each other vibrate and collide with other particles, and this vibration is then transmitted through the air. Okay, good.
Sir, can you explain that how sound is produced in the loudspeaker?
Yeah, loudspeaker, actually they are asking about the vibration. Okay, how loudspeaker is producing sound. So the main
Sir,
idea
so what is
is,
the mark scheme says?
okay, Marskim says whatever he wrote exactly similar, like it's producing the vibration to and fro or forward and backward. That's it. That is the mark scheme. You clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then next one, how sound is transmitted through the air. Sound transmitted through the air by making compressions and rarefactions, right?
Yes, sir. The
So,
sound is transmitted through the air by the vibration of the air particles. Uh, as they move forward and backward, they create compression and rarefaction, which is sound.
hmm, yes, correct. This is simple idea. Okay, then next,
A pump is connected to the tube at the bottom of the glass bell jar. The pump is switched and on and it removes the air from the glass bell jar. Explain why the volume of the sound heard outside the glass bell jar decreases. The particle which transmits the sound uh, is missing
okay.
or has been ejected out of the bell jar.
Hmm. So the
Sir, am I?
they
Sir,
are
do
saying,
will I get
listen,
mark if I write this one?
yeah, listen, they are saying you decreases, right?
Yes, sir.
So it's not completely air free. There is still some air.
Sir, it says decreases, so it will keep decreasing and at a point.
Yeah, yeah, that will be happening. But they are saying now the way we have to follow that one, right? So as they are mentioning, it is decreases. Hmm. So we just take our ideas till there. It decreases as the air particles are taken out gradually, right?
Sir, so shall I write because they said decreases? Should I write like the particles which transmit the sound? The number of them have been decreased.
Mm-hmm. Again, please.
Particle which transmits the sound are now less in number. Then there would be more gap between them. The density would decrease, and
Yes, yes. We can say that now we focus here. Just the air is taken out partially, and the sound now we hear decreasing, right? Huh?
so the
Hello?
air is being the air is being ejecting out of the bell jar,
Mm-hmm.
and gradually, and
Yes,
though the sound is decreasing.
yes. So done, right? This part also done. Now next one.
স্যার আমরা মক নিয়ে কখন ডিসকাস করব?
Uh, Now we are at the end. This question is the last one. After completing this, we will discuss about more. Okay, at the end. So you continue this, huh? I state what is meant by ultrasound. already we know what is ultrasound, right? We do not need to give time here anymore. Then this one, you calculated the distance, right? Uh, so you tried, huh? Karim, you tried.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Sending out the ultrasound and receiving the reflection, that means uh, it's returning back like echo. So that time is for echo returning back is 0.030. The speed of ultrasound in here we know that 340 meter per second. Calculate the distance between the device and opposite wall. So which formula we should use? V equals d by t, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is the formula?
Sir, V by T.
V equals d by t. Then d equals
VT.
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 Vt. Okay. So what is the answer?
Sir, I need to calculate
Yeah, calculate.
0.030 into 340. 0.0. Sir, 10.2.
10.2. Yeah. Tamjid
If you
also got.
only take this 0.030 and 340 as.
So Tamjid, you got 5.1.
Wait, sir, I need to read the question again. Can I? The ultrasound device is present on the wall and limits ultrasound reflection. The time between the sending out the distance between. Sir, how many sets of ultrasound were sent? Is it just a single one?
Mhm. Yeah,
Sir,
single one.
only
We are getting only single one here, but the time given that is for returning back. That's the point. So previously, what you did, you divided it, right? The time given that you divided, isn't it?
yes,
Divided by 2. So you divide it, then you'll get your answer. So done, right? The worksheet is done.
yes, sir.
So you will send me the worksheet by tomorrow, right?
I guess
I guess. Okay. You try it.
because no one
Try
knows
hard.
what will
Listen,
happen.
listen. If you try hard, that is possible. And we are now planning to have the mock exam, right? So I'm giving you the plan. I'm sharing actually. I'm discussing with you how to start it. I have one plan to start in mid of Jan. Okay. So if you get from mid of Jan the mocks, then we have February, March completely, right? Hello, hello.
জি স্যার শুনতেছি।
Yeah, Karim is not there.
Sir, I am. Sir,
Okay,
actually,
so
I haven't think about these. I need to talk with my mom about everything. So,
yeah.
since I don't have this tension yet in my head.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, we we are almost done with the syllabus. So we have now final preparation. Time for final preparation by taking the mocks. Okay, from the mid of Jan. So we have uh, 10 mocks for you. For you, 10 mocks. Uh, that is on your all the topics. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Complete mock 10. How many? 10. And we have also
Yes, sir.
topical mock. We have also topical mock. So topical mock means the whole syllabus. You know the syllabus is divided into 6 parts, 6 sections. Can you remember 6 sections? What are the 6 sections? Like this section we are doing. This is section for waves. We have here 4 topics. This way we have energy and thermal physics. We have Newtonian mechanics. We have general
Light,
physics.
no, light, not so. Electricity.
Waves, waves is in sound wave. This one general.
Electricity, kinetic
This.
electric,
Mm,
kinetic energy, heat,
mhm. So the first
atomic,
one is
quantum
listen.
physics, quantum physics.
Not
No, not
there is
quantum,
no
atomic.
quantum physics. There is nuclear
Sorry, sir.
physics.
Yes, sir, nuclear physics. Sorry, sir.
Nuclear
I
physics.
was
I'm
too
showing
ahead.
you from the syllabus, then you'll understand. Abir, we are actually missing Abir today. We will talk to your parents also. Now we are sharing with you that one. Of course, we will have to discuss with your parents about all these issues before finalizing it. Look here. At a glance, we have all these things here. Just seeing everyone. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
This check.
So, what we did last year, like for our candidates, uh, they who are regular candidates, for them, we we did only complete mock. Why we did complete mock? Because we did lots of questions in worksheet, right? Also in test paper, we did lots of questions, isn't it? Hello, hello.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
Yes.
So if you are done with all these things, then you have clear idea about syllabus and you have lots of practice on those pattern of questions, different pattern of questions from past papers. So you can directly go for complete mock for P1 and P2. And beside this year I am thinking of two two more mocks. Last year we did 8 mocks completely, and this year I want to do 2 more mocks. Like the whole syllabus, we will divide into 2 parts. Like from here, section 1, general physics, section 2, and section 3. These 3 sections will be one part, and section 4, 5, 6 will be other part. So for this part, section 1 to 3, there will be one mock, and section 4, 5, 6, there will be another mock. So in this way, we will have 10 mocks. 2 plus 8, 10 mocks. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Amjit, are you listening?
জি স্যার, হ্যাঁ শুনতেছি।
Yeah. Every week we will have mock on paper 1, paper 2, and in one class we will have the solution of that mock. Okay.
ওকে স্যার।
So the way still
But it'll be a class of like within the class, like we have 2
listen,
classes in
some,
a week.
yeah,
So
some students like unlike you, I have uh, I have one student that who already started mock with me. Like he is doing topical mock. He is doing section 1 and section 2. Here we have 7 topics. So on this he is doing topical mock. Okay, topical mock 1. Then on energy thermal physics, topical mock 2. Then waves, topical mock uh, 3. Okay. Then electricity magnetism I divided into 2 parts because here we have 9 topics. So there are 2 more topical mocks in electricity and magnetism. Then section 6, atomic physics, there is separate topical mock. I can show you that one in our card. Already I did with him 5 topical mocks. So along with him, we want to start the full mock in the mid-Jan. And by this mid-Jan, we will have the complete revision of our all the topics. Is it clear, all of you?
yes, sir.
ইয়েস স্যার, হ্যাঁ।
I'm showing you just 1 minute. You see, I already took all the mocks with him. Yeah. This is his mock plan. I'm showing you that you can understand this one. Yeah. So you understand it, right? Topical mock 1 is on section 1, section 2. And topical mock 2 is on energy thermal physics. So he is done till here now. Topical mock 5. Then topical mock 6 will go. After that, we will start the full mock. Okay. So Now you have anything to say, you can say. Amjad. Amjad.
Yes, sir.
Yes, do you have to share anything or you have any opinion about this?
No, sir.
Okay. Karim, Karim already told one thing that he has to talk to his mom. I also will talk to your parents, all of your parents, about this plan. Like in our other like other colleagues, what they are doing. Uh, According to that, I also have some plan to talk to your parents. Okay, so very soon I will talk to them. And in this month, after 1 week or 2 weeks, I will talk to them. Okay, is it clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So thank you so much. Huh? Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Huh?
Have a nice day, sir.